I am so excited to be teaming up with the Habitat for Humanity ReStore in Springfield, not only to showcase their amazing store, but to find some amazing things to reuse, repurpose, recycle, or refurbish.
Ooh.
And the best part is you could actually buy one of my projects. So let's head on over to the ReStore, let's get a tour, and shop for my first project.
Okay, I'm excited.
I am so excited to be teaming up with the Habitat for Humanity ReStore right here in Springfield to bring you monthly repurposed, refurbished, recycled projects from right here. Now, if you are not familiar with the ReStore, this place is amazing. It's a nonprofit home improvement and donation center that helps Habitat for Humanity right here in Springfield. It's an amazing organization and it's open to the public. I have shopped here for years and I tell you what, I have found so many amazing deals from tile to wood to furniture to area rugs, doorknobs, chandeliers, light fixtures. I mean, if you can think it, they probably have it at a fraction of the cost. So not only are you saving money for your project, you're helping so many people right here in the Ozarks through Habitat for Humanity. Now, here's the thing now, I gotta make some projects that we're gonna sell right here at the ReStore that you can buy and the money stays right here in the Ozarks. But first, that means I need to go shopping. I need to find something. And here's the thing, every time you're here, you're gonna find something new. And if you don't get it right now, it may be gone. So you know what? I'm feeling furniture, so what if we head back to the furniture section right now? Come on. I love the furniture section at the Habitat for Humanity ReStore because look at all this amazing furniture. You never know what you're gonna find here. There's something new all the time. I could get lost shopping for hours here. Every time I'm here, there's something different I find or I love. Like, look at these sofas. Look at these are really great condition. So I'm feeling something furniture, guys. I really want to repurpose, maybe recycle something furniture-wise. Okay, I'm loving the sofas, but sometimes you don't want to mess with something like this. This feels brand new. Wow. And I love that somebody donated this and somebody is gonna get this for a great price and it's gonna be in their house. That's what I love. Habitat is always helping the community. That's why I love this store. I bought a lot of stuff here over the years for different house flips, for my own house, for different repurposed projects, but let me think. Okay, liking sofas, but I'm feeling something. Oh my gosh, look at this table. This, oh, couldn't you imagine seeing this as like the 1960s, you know? Maybe in a sitcom like Bewitched or something. These are really cute. These never go out of style. With those wings, I love that. Okay, I do love the chairs. Oh my gosh, look at this, a wingback chair. But there's something about just these old wooden chairs that I love. Because look, they're solid. They don't make them like this anymore. These chairs are amazing and so sturdy. Okay, I'm looking at these. It's reminding me somewhat of the chairs I used to have at my grandpa's church. I love that. Memories of Sunday school right here. Okay, guys, trying to think. Okay, oh wait, over here. I see something over here. Okay, guys, look at these. Simple, sturdy wood. Now there's two things I'm thinking of, guys. Two different projects for a repurpose project for these chairs. I'm leaning between two, so here's what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to wait and find out what I turned these chairs into coming up. But you know what, for this price, oh yeah, this is good. I'm taking these, guys. All right, see you soon. The famous chairs. Here's what I'm gonna do. At first, I was just gonna make what I wanted. I had two ideas, but I'm gonna let the viewers help me decide what to make. Then we're gonna reveal this next month. When I go back and shop, I'm gonna find something else and reveal what I've made with this. So, okay, here's the two ideas.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am.
I have two beautiful chairs right here. Here are the two ideas. Viewers, you vote in the comment section. We're gonna put this on social media as well. I'm either going to make front porch planters or an entryway bench. Okay?
How?
You're like, huh? So.
You said planters. How do you just set the pot on it?
I have an idea of what I'm gonna do for these. So you need to tell me what you think. So I'll make either two front porch planters or one beautiful entryway bench that you could put in your foyer or the entryway of your home or maybe on a covered porch. Now again, these are great old wood chairs. You don't want to put them where they're exposed to the elements like to weather, to rain or snow. So they have to be covered or inside. However, I'm letting you guys decide. Then I'm going to work on that this month. And then next month when we show you me shopping for something new, I'll reveal the final product.
My mind is just mush right now. I don't understand how you're going to make this a bench if you go with that route or planters.
That's where you have to to stay tuned, Maddie.
I will, but I need to know, like, these are chairs. That's what it is. It's a
these
chair.
These are chairs right here, which I love.
But how do you make it into something else? Like a bench.
Yes.
Do you glue them together?
Maybe we'll just glue them together. I don't know.
No, you're much better than that. You're much better than some glue sticks.
Glue would not hold this together. But when I was shopping, I had two initial, like when I saw these, I was like, oh, I could do something like this. And again, I was gonna keep it a surprise, but I like to get the viewers involved.
Yeah.
You know, and the best part is, as soon as I'm done, we'll reveal it on the show. I'm gonna take it back to the ReStore, and then they're gonna put it up at the front, and you can go and buy this. And the best part is really that money is staying here in the Ozarks to help families at Habitat for Humanity.
You amaze me every day.
I was like,
I wish I was this
can't
talented.
wait. So, you know what? If you see this segment, you can go to my Jeremy Rabe Facebook page, the Ozarks Fox AM Facebook page, vote, see what you think, and then I will do what you say. I've posted on my page, and a lot of people have already voted.
When's the cutoff for voting?
Like in a couple days, because I got to start working.
Okay, I was gonna say,
I got to start making.
You gotta start making. All right, you guys, don't go anywhere. We'll be back right after this with a fun game. I'm actually so, like, how would you even make this bench? Would you deconstruct?